Hi, welcome back to the How To in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to install and use Adobe Photoshop AI or Firefly AI for Photoshop to edit any photo without any experience needed. All you need to do is type a command, and Adobe Firefly AI will do the job for you. This video will be divided into 4 parts. In part 1, we will guide you on how to install it. You can get a free 7-day trial to try this Firefly AI inside Photoshop. In part 2, we will demonstrate how to manipulate nature images using AI. In part 3, we will show you how to manipulate photos with buildings. And in the last part, we will demonstrate how to add objects anywhere into an existing photo. So, let's get started. Part 1. Installation. To install Adobe Photoshop with AI, you will need Adobe Creative Cloud installed on your computer. If you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud, you have to register for an Adobe account and download the Adobe Creative Cloud installer. You can find the download link in the video description. Once you have finished installing Adobe Creative Cloud, open the application and click on the Beta Apps menu. Click on the Install button for Adobe Photoshop Beta and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. Nature Photo Manipulation. Open Adobe Photoshop Beta and click on the New File button to create a new project. Set the document width and height. In this example, I will use a 16:9 image ratio. Now, drag and drop the nature photo you want to edit. Resize the photo of the layer. You can hide the background layer. Next, make a selection inside your photo, ensuring that the selection is within the photo frame for the best result. Click on the Invert Selection button to select the outer area. After that, click on the Generate Fill button, leave it blank, and click on the Generate button to start the AI filling process. And boom! Adobe Photoshop AI will manipulate your image into a new version. Isn't it amazing? This AI also automatically creates a new layer for the AI-generated parts. Photoshop AI will provide you with 3 options, and you can choose the one that suits your needs best. If you don't like the results, click the Generate button to start a new generation. Part 3. Building Photo Manipulation. Now let's try Photoshop AI to manipulate a photo with buildings. Part 4. Adding new objects to a photo. Now let's try adding a new object to our existing photo. First, let's change this portrait image into a landscape image. Now let's add a cabin to this photo. First, select the area inside the photo where you want the AI to add a cabin. Click on the Generate Fill button, type cabin in the prompt input, and click on the Generate button to start. Now, let's try editing a human photo and add a tattoo using AI. Select an area using the lasso tool so you can create a flexible selection. Click on the Generate Fill button, type tattoo, and click on the Generate button to start. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye-bye.